How to create an Lbank account. Sign up tutorial with referral code 363Xs. Lbank is a popular cryptocurrency exchange known for its user-friendly platform, low fees, and extensive selection of crypto assets. If you're interested in trading on Lbank, this guide will walk you through the sign-up process step by step. Use referral code 363XS during registration to enjoy potential bonuses and rewards. Step-by-step guide to create an Lbank account. Go to the Lbank website. Open your browser and go to the official Lbank website. Be sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. If you're using a mobile device, you can also download the Lbank app from the App Store or Google Play. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the website or on the main screen of the app. Click on it to start the registration process. Enter your email or phone number. You'll need to provide a valid email address or phone number. This information will be used for account verification, so make sure it's accurate. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Set a secure password that you'll remember but is difficult for others to guess. Ideally, it should contain a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Enter referral code 363Xs. To get bonuses or other promotional offers, enter 363XS in the referral code field. Using a referral code can provide benefits such as fee discounts, trading bonuses, or other rewards offered by Lbank for new users. Verify your email or phone number. Lbank will send you a verification code to your provided email or phone number. Enter this code on the registration page to verify your account and complete the sign-up process. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in your account settings. Lbank supports Google Authenticator, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account. This step is optional but highly recommended. Complete KYC verification. To unlock full access to all features, complete Lbank's Know Your Customer, KYC, process. KYC verification involves providing an ID document and sometimes a selfie for identity verification. While not mandatory for all users, completing KYC may provide benefits such as higher withdrawal limits. Start trading on Lbank. After setting up your account and completing any necessary verifications, you're ready to deposit funds and start trading. Explore Lbank's wide selection of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs to get started. Lbank offers a secure, user-friendly experience for trading a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. With competitive fees, advanced trading features, and an intuitive interface, it's a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Additionally, new users can take advantage of the referral code 363Xs for added benefits. At channel name ready to create your Lbank account? Click the registration link in the description or comments below to start with Lbank today using referral code 363XS.